If you love to see how I achieve this lovely braid, then keep watching, do not skip. Let's get started. So this is me trying to pattern the hair. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to pattern the hair into two equal portions. After that, I go ahead and begin to do the zigzag. Like the cornrow is not plain, so it has a kind of zigzag at the middle. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So after that, I move on to start braiding the hair. Can you see, guys? Just keep watching, you guys will love the outcome. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks so very much for always tuning into this channel. And if today is your first time of watching my video or any of my video, that means you are new here, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that I'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is me trying to braid one part of the chuku, like we are doing two chuku, like oremeji. Yes, some people call it oremeji, some people call it two chuku. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So this is the first portion that I'm doing. Can you see, guys? So later I'll show you how I arrived to this chuku, how I pattern it. You know, first thing you need to do, you wash the hair. After washing the hair, you apply your hair cream just to moisturize the scalp. After that, you go ahead and you begin to braid the hair. And this type of braiding, this part of braid I'm doing is a feeding braid. Yes, it's a feeding braid. So make sure the braid is not too tight. Like I keep saying it, if you're an OG, you know that I keep saying it in all my videos. When you are trying to braid either Ghana cornrow or feeding cornrow, any kind of braid, do not make it tight. More so, make sure you start with the natural hair first before you start adding the extension. So this is me trying to braid the first part of the chuku, and please watch carefully. Can you see, guys? So you follow the zigzag the way you pattern it, and this is the first portion of the chuku. I'm done with it right now. Can you see, guys? So make sure you arrange it well. So I'm trying to use rubber band to secure it, because if you secure it this way, that's when you'll be able to roll it the way you want it. So if you want the rolling to fall, that means you extend the rubber up a bit. But this particular one, my client wants it to just stay on her head, and that's what I'm trying to do. So after securing it with rubber band, I go ahead and apply my water, then comb it out to make it fluffy before rolling. After the combing, I apply my leave-in conditioner, yes, to make it smooth, yes, and to make the coils come out the way you want it. So after the leave-in conditioner, after applying the leave-in conditioner, I go ahead and started rolling the hair. So I'm using rollers. Yes, it's a rollers coiling. So if you are doing this kind of rollers coiling, make sure you are using the same rollers. Yes, so that's how we keep going with the rolling part. So I ask my girls to be rolling one side while I move on to the other part to be braiding it. And this is where I'll show you clearly how I achieve the chuku. So guys, the first portion, I've done it, and this is the second portion that I want to show you guys. So what you are going to do, after sectioning the hair into two equal parts, you go ahead and secure the hair and section the hair, sorry guys, and section the hair into four portions. Yes, because you are achieving chuku, so you section the hair into four portions. So after that, you bring out small, which is the one I'm using to braid at the middle. You take out small from the four portions you section, then you use it to braid at the middle, so that the middle part will not be painful. That's why you are doing chuku, to secure the middle part, and that's what I'm doing here. Can you see, guys? I'm done with the braid at the middle. Then I will now move on to the first portion of the chuku. then I'll go ahead and braid it. You can give it any kind of design that you wish to do. So now guys, I'm done. Can you see? So now I'll be using the same method that I used to roll the first portion. I'll be applying the same method on this second portions as well. Can you see guys? So I just want you guys to see everything clearly. So I'm trying to apply water. After applying water, I'll go ahead and comb the hair to make it fluffy. After the combing, I will apply my leave-in conditioner. Yes, I love using this method, although it's not a must you use the same method. But me, anytime I'm trying to achieve a better coils, I love rolling my hair when it's wet. So that's the reason why I apply water to make it wet, so that I'll be able to achieve a better coils. It's not a must you use the same method, but to me this method actually works better for me. So guys, so that's how you keep going. You roll the hair. When you roll it, make sure it's firm, then you use rubber band to secure it. The reason why I don't want to use setting pin, because I want the coils very well and I don't want to get disappointed while I'm trying to apply hot water. That's why I use this rubber band to hold it firm. So guys, that's how I keep going with this rolling method. So after the rolling, you go ahead and you apply hot water. Please, when you're trying to apply hot water, you need to be extra careful. Yes, because this particular braid is not the kind of coils that will fall. So this one is a kind of coils that will stock up like afro. Yes, so you need to wrap a towel across the chuku after coiling it. So you wrap it all over the chuku, so that when you are trying to put hot water, the hot water will not pour on your client's head. Can you see guys? So you need to be very careful. Don't allow learner to do it. You do it yourself as a professional. So this particular part is very, like, you need to be very careful while you are trying to do it. Are you getting it? So after applying it with a towel, you go ahead and you remove the towel carefully, so that you'll be able to pour hot water where you wrap towel, so that everything will enter the hot water and the coils will come out well and perfect. Can you see guys? So you need to be very careful. Like I said earlier, you need to be very careful. So after that, you repeat the same thing on the other side. Then you use your towel just to dry it a bit. Make sure you dry it, then you use your dryer to complete the drying. Then you wait for like 1 hour before you unravel the rollers. And this is the final look of the braid guys. Can you see? It's looking so beautiful. Thank you so much guys. Let me know in the comment section if you love this video, and let me know if the video is helpful. Bye bye. I love you all.